10 Best Coolant for Ford F-150 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford F-Series Coolant Hose Repair Kit. Is your Ford F-Series or compatible vehicle showing signs of a coolant leak? Don't let a failing O-ring compromise your engine's health. Our upgraded coolant hose repair kit is your precise solution. Engineered with advanced FPM material, these O-rings offer superior resistance to high temperatures, corrosion, and aging compared to standard rubber. This ensures a robust, long-lasting seal, maintaining your engine's critical cooling performance. Specifically designed for models like the F-150, Super Duty, Mustang, Expedition, and Navigator, 2011 to 2018. This kit effectively addresses leaks at radiator hose and T-tube connectors. You receive 2 complete sets, 6 O-rings total, for comprehensive repair. Installation is straightforward. Simply replace the aged O-rings for a secure, leak-free system. Restore optimal cooling and drive with confidence. Number 9. F-150 5.0L Radiator O-ring Repair Kit. Experiencing a coolant leak from your F-150's 5.0L V8? Our Radiator O-ring repair kit is the precision solution. Crafted from premium nitrile rubber, these O-rings are engineered for extreme heat and wear resistance, guaranteeing a durable, leak-free seal for your radiator hoses and T-pipe connections. More than a fix, it's an upgrade designed to prevent overheating and protect your valuable engine from damage. Directly replacing OE parts like DR3Z 8566A, it ensures a perfect fit for your 2011 to 2018 F-150 and other compatible Ford/Lincoln models. With all 3 essential O-rings included, this DIY-friendly kit offers a hassle-free repair, swiftly restoring your cooling system's integrity. Keep your truck running cool and strong, effortlessly. Number 8. Ford Truck Coolant Expansion Tank. Keep your classic Ford running cool and reliable with our direct-fit coolant expansion tank. Engineered as a perfect replacement for a wide range of Ford F-Series trucks, Broncos, Explorers, Rangers, and Bronco 2s from 1987 to 1997, this tank ensures your cooling system functions flawlessly. You'll appreciate the trouble-free installation as it fits and performs exactly like your original equipment. And yes, it even includes the cap. What truly sets this apart is Brtec's robust 36-month warranty, offering incredible peace of mind. We stand by our quality, covering you completely, even shipping, so you can install with confidence. Don't compromise on your truck's health. Trust a solution designed for performance and backed by an exceptional guarantee. Number 7. Ford F-Series Expedition Coolant Reservoir with Cap. Is your Ford F-Series or Expedition's coolant reservoir showing signs of stress from vibration or heat? Don't let a cracked or leaking reservoir compromise your engine. Our premium replacement is engineered for a flawless, OEM-spec fit, making installation a simple plug-and-play process. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this reservoir is built to withstand extreme underhood heat and engine vibration, ensuring superior longevity and performance. We've even strengthened the hose joints to prevent common breakage issues and included a new cap for a complete solution. Perfectly compatible with a range of Ford F-150, Expedition, and Lincoln Navigator models, it ensures your cooling system runs efficiently and reliably, no matter the harsh conditions. Restore confidence and optimal cooling to your ride. Number 6. Ford F-150 Expedition Navigator Coolant Reservoir. Keep your Ford F-150, Expedition, or Navigator running flawlessly with our premium coolant reservoir. Engineered to meet or exceed OE standards, this high-quality tank is a direct replacement for OE #FL3Z 8A080A, ensuring a perfect fit and OE-grade durability. Crafted from robust PP materials, it's built to last, providing essential space for coolant expansion and contraction. This reservoir is critical for maintaining engine health. It helps reduce oil dilution, fuel consumption, and cylinder bore wear, all while improving heating system efficiency and keeping your engine at optimal temperature. Easily check antifreeze levels without opening the radiator cap. Experience ultimate driving comfort and peace of mind with this easy-to-install, long-lasting upgrade, backed by our dedicated 24-hour customer service. Number 5. Ford F-150 2011 to 2014 3.5 LV6 heater hose. Is your Ford F-150's heating system feeling off? It might be time for a reliable replacement. Our 3.5L V6 heater hose is engineered with precision fitment specifically for your 2011 to 2014 F-150, FX2, FX4, King Ranch, Lariat, etc., matching OEM specifications. OE #BL3Z18472J, perfectly. Forget compatibility worries. This hose features leak-proof durability with reinforced rubber, shrugging off intense heat, oil, and pressure to prevent costly coolant leaks and protect your engine. Its precision-engineered fit ensures seamless integration for stable airflow and optimal temperature control. Best of all, simplified installation means the pre-molded shape aligns perfectly for a tool-free, no-modification replacement. Plus, rigorous quality testing guarantees long-term reliability. Restore your truck's performance and enjoy a cozy cabin. Number 4. EcoBoost Turbo Coolant Line Upgrade Kit. Unlock your EcoBoost's true potential and banish notorious turbo coolant leaks with our EcoBoost Turbo Coolant Line Upgrade Kit. Specifically engineered for F-150, 2011 to 2016, Expedition, Navigator, and Transit models, this kit directly addresses the common factory line corrosion and leaking issues. Our solution? Robust braided stainless steel lines paired with precision CNC machine billet aluminum fittings, replacing fragile OE plastic. These premium materials ensure superior resistance to extreme temperatures, exceeding 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and high pressures, dramatically enhancing coolant flow and reliability. Enjoy consistent turbo cooling, reduced overheating risks, and extended turbocharger lifespan, even under intense conditions. Installation is a breeze, a direct plug-and-play upgrade for lasting peace of mind and peak performance. Number 3. Ford F-150 Expedition Navigator Coolant Overflow Tank. Is your Ford F-150, Expedition, or Navigator's coolant tank showing its age? Upgrade with our heavy-duty coolant overflow tank, engineered for ultimate reliability. Crafted from high-strength, heat, and corrosion-resistant PP, this tank is built to last, enduring 200,000 pressure cycles and extreme underhood temperatures for leak-free performance. The included cap maintains vital system pressure, preventing engine overheating, while clear level markers make coolant checks quick and safe without opening your radiator. Designed as a direct OEM fit, DIY installation is straightforward, saving you professional labor costs. Plus, every unit is rigorously pressure and leak tested and backed by a comprehensive 60-month warranty, giving you complete peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. Ford F-150 Expedition Navigator Coolant Tank with cap 2018 to 2024. Is your Ford F-150, Expedition, Lobo, or Lincoln Navigator showing signs of a failing coolant tank? Prevent costly engine damage with our premium, direct-fit replacement coolant tank, including the cap. Tailored for F-150/Lobo, 2015 to 2024, and Expedition/Navigator, 2018 to 2024, models, it precisely matches OE specifications like DG9Z8100A for guaranteed compatibility. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant plastic, this tank withstands extreme engine temperatures, effectively resisting cracking and leaks common with inferior parts. Installation is effortless, requiring no modifications. Most importantly, it ensures optimal coolant levels, safeguarding against overheating and maintaining peak engine performance. Drive confidently, knowing your engine is protected and running smoothly. Number 1. F-150 Expedition Navigator Coolant Overflow Tank. Keep your F-150, Expedition, or Navigator running flawlessly with our premium coolant overflow tank. This vital component efficiently stores excess coolant, ensuring your engine consistently maintains its optimal operating temperature as it heats and cools. Crafted from premium, corrosion-resistant materials, our tank is built to withstand the rigors of the engine compartment, drastically minimizing the risk of leaks or failure for long-term durability. Engineered to precise OE specifications, FL3Z, 8A080, A, 603 to 318. It guarantees a perfect fit for your 2015 to 2021 F-150 or 2018 to 2021 Expedition/Navigator and comes complete with the necessary cap. Don't compromise on engine health. Trust in a high-quality replacement that provides reliable performance and peace of mind for every journey. So, that sums up my 10 best coolant for Ford F-150. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.